In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on the Skype application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using your PC, or maybe just working for you. And once you open that browser, go to the URL section and type download Skype application, hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading the application. Of course, once it's downloaded, install it and open it up. And those steps of downloading will be pretty simple because you must have already downloaded something in your PC before, so it will be the same steps. This will be pretty easy and simple. And once you opened it, they will ask you to log in into your account. So of course you'll have to log in into your account, or even to create an account if you don't have one. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself with the home screen or the main screen, as I said in the beginning of the video. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to reset your password. So you have two ways to do that. The first way is, before even logging in into your account, you will hit the option of I forgot my password and follow the instructions from there. The other option, if you log in into your account and you want to reset your password, click at the three dots here at the top left corner and then click at the settings option. Once you are here, get down to the help and feedback, then click at get help, which will take you into the browser. And let's just wait a bit, and once you are here, scroll down a bit and click at this option, reset password. And once you are here again, simply enter your email address that you are using to log in into your account, or a phone number, or even the Skype name. And once you've done this, click at the next button. So this is an example for me. Let me just check my name. Oh, with the space. Okay, like that. Next button. So this is not my name. Oh, the name is this one. Wait, sorry. Skype profile. This is the name actually. So you can copy it if you want. And go here, paste it. Okay, maybe this should not be in. So okay, you can just enter your email address or phone number to do not have these issues. So of course, for me, I don't have my email or phone number connected, or I have, I guess, my email. So let me just type it down here, hit the next button. And as you can see, they will need to verify your identity. So just go and click or check this email, click I have the code or get the code, then go to your email and verify that code. And then they'll actually give you the option. Once you enter the code that they will give you the option to reset your password and you'll be good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.